Let's go somewhere. It is not important where we're headed. Let's go somewhere. We will find a way.
I wish I had that guitar now. Thanks, yes. Oh, right, that case. You played as much my favorite sound. Thanks, so are you. And he gave you those gifts. Did you not use them to this morning? I suppose. David, if everyone else doesn't think you manage your life, what makes you so sure you can? I know my heart God is with you. He'll give me strength when I do most. It's just like music. If you use it against his ability, you never be afraid to play it. So, if God gives you the ability, then the size of the giant, the size of the audience, doesn't matter. I think you're getting it. I can't wear the armor. Alright. Then please take my shield. The Lord will be my shield. Oh, he's not alone. Do we have anyone with our last name? I'm taking the bird. I don't like it. Sorry, you're so small. Come on, people. Why are you sending this? You fear the least of Israel? No, nothing. Goliath! Rouse is her. My brother's already got himself killed. Maybe I should...
I need you here. You have plenty of help, Father. I want you here. I can go and be back within a few days. It'll put you at ease, tonight. I will do my best to get home. That would put me at ease. I'll leave before summer. I'll get things together now. Don't worry, Father.
But Joseph,
I don't know